Today's episode is 98's reaction to 40's Hahashu gets replaced by 52's, and this video has been requested by Tony Wangmo. Still, I hate number blocks, but I enjoy the video.
Hey you fellas, 98 here. We're doing a reaction video on 40's Hahashu snore gets replaced by 52's. But still, why is it a short? Anyways, let's jump straight into the reaction.
You know I don't want to get recorded by boys.
Well, it's snoring time. Sleep time.
Too short. Well, that short ended very quicker than I expected. Anyways, stay tuned for episode 61.